What's going on, Hangout Gang? It's your boy Crypto Crane here. We got a daily technical analysis video for you guys. And so today, we're gonna look at the crypto bubbles to see what the market is doing. All right, so on the weekly, lots of green for the week. Let's look at the daily. As you can see on the daily, you got a red with a little bit of green sprinkled in. On the hourly, about 50 and 50, as you can see. Okay, had a little pullback. Let's go take a look at the Bitcoin dominance chart. And as you can see in yesterday's video, I told you that it was going to fall down to the 200, and which it did. And it fell down to the 200, and as you can see, it's starting to have a reversal because the RSI is oversold. Okay, this is the 4-hour chart, the Bitcoin dominance market cap. So as you can see, a little bit of money is starting to flow into Bitcoin, and what you're going to see in the next couple of days is a lot of money starting to flow into Bitcoin. You'll see a reversal, and you'll see the price of Bitcoin go up. All right, so this is the Bitcoin dominance chart daily, and as you can see on the daily, it fell below the 21. It's more than likely going to come down here to the 50. Okay, if it comes down here to the 50, you could see a reversal of that. All right, now if this on the Bitcoin dominance, if it falls below the 200, then you are going to see the altcoins explode, rocket to the moon. Okay, now let's look at the total altcoin market cap. As you can see on the daily, the money is flowing in. You got a 21 crossing the 200, and you got the 50 getting ready to cross the 200 for a golden cross. If this happens, then the altcoin market will explode. It will be moon mission baby. Okay, moon mission baby. How do I know? Go back here, look at previous times where it crossed. And as you can see right here, it had a golden cross. See, the price action goes up, right? Okay, now back to Bitcoin. Go look at Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin daily chart. As you can see, just pin it. You have a bull pennant right here, steady moving, going up, slowly but surely, chopping on the daily. 21 crossed the 200, and just like I told you guys yesterday, that within the next 24 to 48 hours, you're going to have a golden cross here on the daily, which you got here. It happened yesterday or Sunday on the golden cross. So you see the price actually is going to chop a little bit before it goes back up. Okay, the next resistance would be 37,000, then 39,000, and then 43,000. I am of the personal opinion that once it hits around in this area right here, you will see a humongous pullback of across all coins, all markets. All right, let's go look at the 4-hour chart. As you can see, you see Bitcoin consolidating a little bit. You have that golden cross right here, and that price action goes up. It broke up out of this triangle right here, and it's just going sideways, right? Right, RSI is at 45. It needs to fall down by 10 more before we normally historically see reversals. So this would be a good time to accumulate some Bitcoin for the next leg up. Okay, let's see. Let's go look at the hourly chart, see which way it's moving. And as you can see, look at that 200. Everything got pulled up, and now it is moving sideways. And as you can see, you have that chopping sideways movement, right? Okay. Now we look at the weekly Bitcoin weekly chart. And as you can see, you got red candle here starting on the weekly. You had 3 days of green, 3 weeks of green, and then 1 week of red starting to show. But you still got the 21 crossing the 200 right here. You still got that 50 going up to cross that 200. So if you get that golden cross on all time frames, moon mission, baby, moon mission. All right, let's take a look at Ethereum. Let's go look at the 4-hour chart. As you can see, golden cross right here, 21 right here, crosses the 200, and boom, price action is going up. Right now, it is sitting at 1,879. This is a floor support. Okay, so it's going to chop in between 1875 and 1918. All right, depending on what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin continues to chop, then you will see Ethereum chop as well. Okay, in between that price range. So for my daily traders, this would be a good range to trade. You know, put in a trade here at the bottom, sell at 1878, sell at 1917, close to, and keep doing that until it breaks out. All right, RSI is oversold, so you're going to have more pullback. It could possibly fall below the support line down towards this 50 because the RSI is overbought. It's at 54. It needs to fall down here below 40s in order for it to get some more movement to go up. Okay, let's So look at the daily Ethereum chart. As you can see, on the daily, you have that 21 approaching the 200, and it's bringing up the 80, 100, and the 50. We need a 21 to cross this 200 and bring that 50 to golden cross. But as you can see, that RSI is oversold on the daily, so it's going to fall back. So I suspect it will fall below the support line sometime this week, and then trade in between these ranges. Let's go look at the Ethereum weekly. This is the Ethereum weekly chart. As you can see, got 3 days of green candles and 1 red, right? You got the 21, 200 right here, 21 going sideways, and the 80s getting ready to cross that. So we're getting ready to see some explosive movement in Ethereum and in Bitcoin. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at XRP. Where are you at, XRP? All right, so this is XRP weekly, and as you can see, look at that beautiful cup and handle on the weekly. Beautiful, that's just beautiful. Remember, not cup and handle, but rounded bottoms. Rounded bottoms pay the bills. All right, so remember that rounded bottoms pay the bills. As you can see, the RSI is over bought, so it's going to pull back, and when it pulls back, it's going to form that choppiness right here with that support at 66 cents, and then you'll get your cup and handle. A cup and handle on the weekly is a big deal, big deal. Okay, so if that cup and handle does show on this weekly, you're going to get, you could see 90, 95, maybe even $1 XRP. Okay, so, but it's going to have a pullback because, like I said, the RSI is oversold. It's at 64.71. It needs to fall down below 40 in order to get that reversal movement. Let's go look at the daily, and look at that rounded bottom, just beautiful, man. And look, 21 crossed the 200, and the 50 is getting ready to cross the 200 right here. It's going to pull back because look, severely oversold. Look at all this, severely oversold. So it's going to pull back some. It's going to pull back. So wait for the pullback and then pull the trigger, and then just wait for the blast off of the moon mission. Okay. Let's go look at the 4-hour chart. XRP, you got that same thing. 21 crossing 200, 50 crossing the 200, golden cross. RSI is oversold, but it's starting to fall down, but it needs to fall down a whole lot more. And then we have blast off moon mission. Still, again, perfect rounded bottom. Rounded bottoms pay the bills. Get the rounded bottom, get that choppiness right there. Then you may have, boom, a little cup and handle, and boom, you have blast off. Now, within the next couple of hours, it may move up a little bit because the RSI on the hour chart is at 45, so it may just chop, possibly just chop. As you can see, the 21 starting to go down. If that 21 crosses that 50, then you're going to get price action fall downwards. Okay, so keep that in mind on the hourly chart. Now, that was XRP. We'll do one more. Who you want to do? Let's see. Oh, Link. Let's do Chainlink. Chainlink. And look what happens when you have a golden cross, people. You see all this price action? Look at that golden cross. Golden cross. Now, if you bought Chainlink right here, and if you sold it right here, that is an 81% profit. 81% profit. See that? 81% profit, right? Why? Because you just bought on the golden cross. If you just buy on the golden cross, you'll be in profit. Okay? Now, this is Chainlink hour chart. So as you can see, it's going to pull back some. It's at RSI is at 56. Go look at the 4-hour chart. See the 4-hour chart, you had that golden cross way back here actually. On the 4-hour, you had a golden cross right here. So if you would have did that on the golden cross on the 4-hour chart, you'd be 116% profits. 116% profits had you had pulled the trigger on that golden cross right there. Because do you see how the golden cross happened right here on September the 18th? And look, just chopped up, kept going steadily, slowly came back down, bounced, came back up, and boom, blast off. All right, that's why we look for golden crosses here. RSI is oversold, so it's going to pull back some, probably down to the support of $12.59, and probably chop a little bit, okay? Because remember, RSI needs to be around 35 for us to have a blast off momentum. This is the Chainlink daily chart. As you can see right here, you had the golden cross right here. on the daily, golden cross right here on October 14th, and boom, blast off. Blast off. See what I'm saying? All right, so RSI is oversold. It is severely oversold. It's at 76. It needs to come down here. So I would wait for a pullback in chain link, like I said, down to maybe below 12. Could come down to 11. Could come down right down to this 21, which would be $10.56. If it does do that, and I am buying more, I will pull the trigger and buy some more and place a trade. All right. If you like the content that we provide here on this channel, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell notification. Please follow us on our social medias. We have the Crypto Hangout Network on Twitter. We have the Spotify podcast. We have the Amazon podcast, as well as the YouTube channel. And as always, thanks for watching. Until the next video, peace.